Welcome to Mandal's kitchen. Today, we are going to cook a delicious vegetarian dish, potol posto, which is pointed gourd cooked in a rich poppy seed paste. It's a classic Indian recipe that tastes amazing.
Now, I am peeling the pointed gourds, and then I will cut them in half. Now, I am making a paste of poppy seeds with 3 green chilies. Next, I'll heat the oil and fry the pointed gourds. I am adding a pinch of salt and frying them until they turn golden brown. Now, I'm heating the oil and adding nigella seeds and a dry red chili for tempering. Then, I'm adding coriander, cumin, red chili, and turmeric powder and sautéing them for a few seconds. Now, I'm adding the poppy seed paste and a little water. I'll let it simmer until it's perfectly cooked. Now, I'm adding the fried gourds to the gravy, covering it with a lid and letting it cook until it's tender. Once the water reduces and the gravy thickens, it's ready to be served. And there you have it. Our delicious creamy poppy seed pointed gourd is ready. Serve it hot with steamed rice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy recipes. Thanks for watching.